Prof, how the implications of this for the trial itself?
Yes, it's exactly as Samson has said, because at the end of the day, it's the money that we want. The criminal justice system, as it is now, is not just for the sake of retribution or deterrence or incapacitation or putting the person in prison. Restoration is part of it, where the victim is able to retrieve some money, at least part of it. It's an important part of the process. And that is even the essence of this plea bargaining process. So if that amount was put on the table and it was rejected, why the rejection? Were they expecting the exact amount to be paid back? No, it's all part of the plea bargaining, and it's all part of the negotiations that take place. Therefore, you don't go to the table and expect to get the same thing back. So that amount was a good amount that should have been accepted. And therefore, it raises the question as to the motive of the Attorney General for making that decision, which unfortunately has affected the ability to recoup that amount of money. At the end of the day, if the person is incarcerated, what else do we get out of it? And so that is the question that we need to ask. And another point is that having gone through all this, having all this information having come out, we don't know what else happened, which is not in the public yet or may come out in the public domain. So as a result of that, at the end of the day, the whole decision itself is going to be questioned. Well, yes, as to how whether it's a fair decision that may be arrived at the end of the day. And it's also unfortunate that the justice of the Supreme Court has been dragged into this, because it also affects it may also affect the outcome of the case, in the sense that I think probably as the facts get revealed, we may see that he wasn't directly involved in the case, and so that would be
and that is what the Adam Bonner has been articulating about, the family relations and how that then became the venue for a meeting. But I'm curious though.
Exactly. So if that is the case.
Yes, you're making a point. You're just landing on that.
So if that's the case, then it will help exonerate him, because at the point, I was even making the point that it has put him in the center of the case, where he is not supposed to be there, because when you are doing the plea bargaining, the court is not supposed to be part of it. And so if it will exonerate him, then it can add some fairness to the decision that will ultimately may come out.